Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies without brown sugar. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line 2 baking sheets. Start by creaming melted butter with white sugar and a splash of maple syrup to add moisture and deep flavor. Mix in an egg, vanilla, and dry ingredients until just combined, then fold in chocolate chips. Chill dough for 20 minutes to prevent excess spread, then bake until edges are golden and centers are soft. I'll walk you through ingredient choices that keep cookies tender and flavorful without brown sugar. Use a medium-strength vanilla and 100% maple syrup for subtle caramel notes. Opt for melted butter to recreate brown sugar's moisture, and measure flour carefully by spooning and leveling to avoid dryness. A pinch of salt brightens flavor, and chilling the dough for 20 minutes helps the cookies keep a chewier center while getting crisp edges. Let's focus on bake time and texture so your cookies come out perfect without brown sugar. Bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes, aiming for golden edges and soft centers that set while cooling. If dough balls are tall, gently press them down a bit to promote even baking. After removing from the oven, cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving to a rack to finish and develop that classic chewy middle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.